don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Al Hilal 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Upravik.
Stibo, ukhulumela phezulu kangaka.
Ask is Pravik.
Yazi.
Polo Pravik. Forgive me.
Ngeke ngikuthethelele Stibo ngoba yazi ish. Angazi ukuthi soqala uku-understanda nini. Asizonda nini masila ekhaya. Not mase Africa.
Yes, not in Africa.
Yeah, uyazi ukuthi lento iyangidla Stibo ngaphakathi ukuthi if omakhelwane bengasisupport belwa nathi iyangiqaka lento ikakhulu uzweli. Angazi ukuthi stethoscope kana ama stepisi lana bekumnandi ethi I'm truly supporting Sundowns, but anyway asikho lapho Stibo. Yeah. Yes, I think it's ngabe siblame uKadoso all the time.
Yes,
but I think there is more into it. So besikhomba umuntu oyedwa kade indlu yonke ingcolile. So I don't want to get more into it because sometimes you will find out ukuthi starting lineup lo muntu ubanjwe kanje izandla ukuthi yenza kanje.
Sure Pravik.
Kudala sikhala ngoMatthews.
Sure Pravik.
Asicalanga ngaye le game edlulile. Badlale kahle abafana.
Sure Pravik.
So uyayibuza ukuthi kwenzekeni namhlanje kwachangewa yonke le nto.
Sure Pravik.
Complaining won't help us with anything.
That's true.
We live Sundowns, we eat Sundowns, and we breathe Sundowns.
Yeah.
Siyayithanda.
Sure.
So yala siyisupport.
Sure Pravik.
But inye nje into engifuna ukuyicela ku management. Yonke Sundowns bakhulumile ngalento esiyenze Loftus ukuthi ngeke besavumela isupporter ezo behave ngalendlela ebehave ngayo Loftus. Kufanele simele lo dodo esiyobe sibuka udlalwa iSundowns thina sithule na. Yiyo nje into engifuna ukuthi nami bangiphendule yona. We will behave because we love the team.
Yes.
Uyabona ngeke uyilwele into ongayithandi.
Sure.
Kodwa into mawuyithanda uyibona imosheka uyayilwela.
Sure Pravik.
Yeah. So Stibo, you know what? I'm proud of my boys. Badlalile, even though they did not all come into the party. I was highly disappointed by my players who I always count on. Rembla, Alende. And kunento engayitholi kahle ngoSantos. Is only good when my petty baller.
Sure.
And when it's time to come back and cover up, akayinelisi lento yamhlula uyawa so uyazi ngathi umuntu ovuke wadla amagwinya. So ibuhlungu lento yazi, and singablame umrembla. He has got a lot on his shoulders.
That's true, brother.
Uyamaka wenzani uyabona. We need someone lapha esikupini.
Sure.
Uyayibona lento esiyinikwa uZwane. Iyashota.
Yeah.
Iyashota lesi into esiyinikwa uZwane.
Yeah.
So Stibo inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu. Ngiyithanda le team. And you know what they say, in order for the football to be interesting, you need to have opponents.
Yes, brother.
But ngiluma opponents ami ningasi-challenge kakhulu masidlala eAfrica. Siqhaseni bafowethu.
Yeah.
Siyazi ukuthi senilimazile la ekhaya. Nilimele kakhulu and le record esiyiphethe usazothatha iminyaka neminyaka ukuthi niyiphule. No one is ever going to come close to where we are.
Yes, brother.
So masidlala ngaphandle suke simelizwe. Supporteni bafowethu. I'm not forcing you.
Yeah.
But siqhaseni.
Ngiyathola, brother.
Yeah. Stibo anginawo amagama amaningi, but I would love ukuthi management maybe responded to that message which I said ukuthi we can be pointing one person, only finding out that
the whole house
is dead. Ngoba naye ngithemba maye ebuka wonke lama video, ebuka yonke lento esiyikhulumayo. Ukahlale phansi ayibuza ukuthi but how can the whole of Sundowns family hate me?
Yeah.
naye azama ukwenza lokho okusemandleni akhe but mayizama ukwenza lokho okusemandleni akhe athola ukuthi izandla zakhe zinjani zibanjiwe.
Yes.
Sicela nje basikhulule ukuze umathanda ukukhuluma bengakhulumi kakhulu sibabeke endaweni yabo. Igama nje ngingabashiya nalo ukuthi akhona amagesi kusasa azoyenza into edume ngayo, azofaka ugesi ende ngizoya lapha ngiyominya angifihli Steve
Without fear of favor.
without fear or favor.
Yeah, straight.
And congratulations to Ali Hilali.
Yeah.
I know I'm a bitter loser, but when someone does well, you need to congratulate him.
Yes, perfect.
Especially that number 10. Ize ngenye lamhlanje besibheka number 7.
Yeah.
Waqhamuka number 10.
Women of the match.
Women of the match, yeah.
Yeah, it's all right.
And you know what, Sundowns, pick up yourself and we move forward. We still have got 2 games to play. And I believe that laba abasheshe bahleka
Sure.
kugcina kuzinyembezi sikobe sokuhleka thina. Ngiyabonga Steve.
Thank you, Pravik. Thank